8 sandwich recipes that are good for losing weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. If you're looking to shed some pounds while still enjoying a delicious meal, we've got you covered with our collections of 8 sandwich recipes that are perfect for weight loss. These sandwiches are not only satisfying and flavorful, but also designed to support your weight loss goals. Packed with lean protein, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats, these recipes offer a balanced and nutritious option for a quick and convenient meal. From veggie-packed options to protein-rich fillings, these sandwiches will keep you fueled and satisfied while helping you achieve your weight loss journey. Number 1. Carrot and Hummus Sandwich, 240 calories. This sandwich combines the crunchiness of fresh carrots with the creaminess of hummus, providing a delightful texture and a range of flavors. Carrots are low in calorie and high in fiber, promoting feelings of fullness and aiding in digestion. Hummus is a great source of plant-based protein and healthy fats, making it a nutritious spread for the sandwich. Here are the specific ingredients for the carrot and hummus sandwich. 2 slices of whole grain bread, 2 tablespoons of hummus, 1 medium carrot grated, leafy greens such as lettuce or spinach, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making the carrot and hummus sandwich. Number 2. White bean avocado sandwich, 290 calories. This sandwich combines the creaminess of avocado with protein and fiber-rich white beans, creating a satisfying nutrient-dense meal to this delicious recipe. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats and provides a creamy texture, while white beans offer plant-based protein and help keep you feeling full. Number 3. Strawberry almond butter sandwich, 280 calories. This sandwich combines the sweetness of strawberries with the richness of almond butter, creating a delightful combination of the flavor. Almond butter provides healthy fats and protein, while strawberries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Together, they offer a nutrient-dense and a low-calorie option for a filling and nutritious meal. Here are the specific ingredients for the strawberry almond butter sandwich. 2 slices of whole grain bread, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 4 to 6 fresh strawberries sliced. For optional, a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Here is the process for making the strawberry almond butter sandwich. Hey guys, can you do me a favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Veggie Sandwich, 280 calories. The veggie sandwich is a nutritious and low-calorie option for a healthy meal that supports weight loss. Packed with a variety of colorful vegetables, this sandwich provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber while being low in calories. It's a great way to incorporate a range of vegetables into your diet, which can promote overall health and weight management. Here are the specific ingredients for the veggie sandwich. 2 slices of whole grain bread, 2 tablespoons hummus or avocado spread, sliced cucumber, sliced tomato, thinly sliced red onion, sliced bell pepper of any color, fresh lettuce or spinach leaves. For optional, add salt, pepper, or other seasonings to taste. Here is the process for making the veggie sandwich. Number 5. Avocado Egg Sandwich, 320 calories. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, the sandwich provides a balanced combination of nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized. The avocado adds creaminess and hearty heart health monosaturated fats, while the eggs provide high-quality protein This recipe is a delicious way to start your day and keep you feeling satisfied until your next meal. Here are the specific ingredients for the avocado egg sandwich. 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, mashed, 2 hard-boiled eggs, sliced, fresh spinach or lettuce leaves, sliced tomato. For optional, salt, pepper, or other seasonings to taste. Number 6. Turkey and avocado wrap, 310 calories. The turkey and avocado wrap is a protein-packed and satisfying option for a weight loss-friendly meal. Lean turkey provides high-quality protein, while avocado adds healthy fats and creaminess. This recipe is a great way to enjoy a flavorful and balanced wrap that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Here are the specific ingredients for the turkey and avocado wrap. 1 whole grain wrap or tortilla, 3 to 4 slices of lean turkey breast, 1/4 avocado sliced, sliced cucumber, sliced red bell pepper, fresh spinach leaves, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making the turkey and avocado wrap. Number 7. Greek yogurt tuna salad sandwich, 280 calories. The Greek yogurt tuna salad sandwich offers a protein-rich and creamy tuna salad that's light on the calories. Greek yogurt replaces mayonnaise, adding protein and tangy flavor. This recipe is a great way to enjoy a classic tuna salad sandwich with a healthier twist. Here are the specific ingredients for the Greek yogurt salad sandwich. 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 can, 5 ounces tuna drained and flaked, 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt, diced celery, diced cucumber, Dijon mustard for optional, salt and pepper to taste, and lettuce leaves. Here is the process for making the Greek yogurt tuna salad sandwich. Number 8. Grilled Portobello mushroom sandwich, 250 calories. The grilled Portobello mushroom sandwich offers a meaty and flavorful option that's lower in calories. Portobello mushrooms are a great source of umami flavor and provide a satisfying texture. This recipe is a delicious way to enjoy a sandwich without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Here are the specific ingredients for the grilled Portobello mushroom sandwich. 2 whole grain burger buns or slices of whole grain bread, 2 large Portobello mushroom stems removed, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 garlic clove minced, fresh spinach leaves, sliced tomato, sliced red onion, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making the grilled Portobello mushroom sandwich. And that concludes our list of 8 sandwich recipes that are good for losing weight. Do you happen to know any sandwich recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!